We're starting out check day 8. Only got a few more checks to go. We're starting down here in the farm country first, but you got the sunrise over the mountains this morning. It's man. That's the sunrise hitting the mountains. And there it is coming over the mountains. Pretty views in the morning and evening. We're checking our beaver stuff. We hadn't had any activity lately. We tried to drop the water. Actually, that looks like the dam is patched. I don't see anything. We'll have to get down there and see if we got anything going. We had no beaver, but the trap was caught up in the dam where he fixed it. So we moved it back. Might ought to move it back a little more. We'll leave it there for now and see if it does anything tonight. If it's clogged again, we'll continue to move it back a little bit farther and a little bit farther until we get him. We finally got his attention though. We've been, heck, probably 5 days with no activity at this dam. We finally broke it out in 2 places and broke it out a little bit more. And he's coming now, so. This is our gray fox remake yesterday, and I ain't sure, maybe we didn't have a skunk visit. I think that's probably what that is there. And he did all but jump on the trap apparently, and it didn't fire. And we're getting discouraged. We've been coming through a lot of traps and been checking a bunch of empty traps, but this trap that hadn't seen any action, we hadn't caught anything, it's seen a little bit of action. And we've reset it a couple times, but finally pulled off a pretty old gray fox. I'm pretty positive these gray foxes out here have much longer tails than our ones back east do. That tail is as long as his body is. Pretty and nice and fluffy. That's a good one. Pretty one too. Pretty old coyote. Oh shoot. I ain't sure what happened here. Like kind of small, kind of skunky tracks. Can't say I complain about not catching a skunk, but at the same time, I'd rather catch something than have an empty trap snap like that. I think I might have revived our skunk streak. Yeah, there we go. Went a day without catching one. We was worried we was gonna go 2 days without catching one. Nope. We just put these sets in right here. Kind of a bend in the river. It's kind of a little bit. There's a fence and there's a gap in the fence that comes down. The road's just right there and kind of the mountains or the hills there. And we thought this might be a pretty good location. You can see there's a bunch of cow travel. So we're trying to tuck our sets away a little bit out of where they wouldn't get stepped on by the cows. We set a dog proof here hoping to avoid skunks in the good sets, but like I said before, I'll take a skunk over nothing. Well, not exactly what we were going for. That's one of my lion sets with a cubby. I noticed it looked messed up. We got a ringtail, not a ringtail, we got a raccoon, saying ringtail, but there are ringtails out here, I think, maybe not around here, but we got a double on raccoons. We got one on the dog proof that we put over here to try to keep from the coons getting in our good sets. Obviously that was only marginally successful, so we'll get back to resetting. Something spent the time here, came in and worked me from the back. It's tough to tell. That looks kind of like small tracks. It wouldn't surprise me for that to be a gray fox.